My YouTube channel. My name is Solomon. So today we are going to be working on a packet tracer, and today we're going to be assigning an IP address to many systems using the Dhcp server, that is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. So okay, let's get started. I'll click on this. Okay, so my Cisco packet tracer is on. Okay, let's get started. So what we are going to be doing today is that we are going to be configuring a Dhcp server so that it can be able to assign an IP address to systems automatically. Okay, so I have to start by clicking on this, bringing up the first system, the second, the third, the fourth. Okay, and also I have to bring up my switch, and also I have to bring up my Dhcp server. Okay, and let me add just another PC. Yeah, okay, so now I'm going to be connecting all this together using a straight through cable. Okay, so I'm gonna be sending this to this, and also from PC 1 to the switch. Sorry, I have to remove this. Sorry, continue this straight through cable. First Ethernet 1, number 1, and also PC 2. PC 3. So I'm trying to connect these pieces to the switch. Okay, I have to arrange it to be good, and also this to this. Okay, saying cable cannot be connected to that port. Alright, so because the switch has a limited number of ports, so we have to extend it. So now I'm going to add more ports to this switch. I did this before, so I'm going to off this. Okay, I have to start afresh, so I'm keeping this back, I'm putting this back. Okay, let me go back. Okay, now this switch has a limited port and I want to extend it now, so I have to double click on this. Okay, just one click, and then I'll drag this, click on it and drag it, put it here. This for the PC. Then for the Dhcp server, this I have to on my switch back, then I go back. Okay, now I'm going to try it one more with a straight through cable from my switch. Now I'm going to connect this to the PC. Okay, it's on already. Yeah. And also for the Dhcp server, I'm going to be clicking on this, back Ethernet 5.1 to my Dhcp server. So all these are connected using a straight through cable. Okay, what's the next step? Where I'm going to be configuring my Dhcp server now, so that it can be able to assign IP address automatically to all the systems here. Alright, so I have to click on this. I go to my desktop IP configuration, so I'm going to be giving it an IP address. This says 192.168.0.1. Then the subnet mask should be 255.255.255.0. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to be minimizing this. Okay, so let's go to services. Now I want to properly configure the Dhcp server so that it can be able to assign IP address to the systems automatically. Yeah, so I click on this and I on the Dhcp server. Then default gateway, I have to give it an IP address. We say 192.168.0.1. Then my DNS server, I have to make it 10.0.0.0. okay. Now the start IP address is 192.168.0.0. Subnet max, you already know. Then now you say maximum number of users, so I'm going to make it to be, let me say 500 users. So my DHCP is going to be giving an IP address to 500 PCs automatically. Yeah, okay, so I have to click on this and then save it. So now I've been able to configure the DHCP server. So we have to go to the PC and test this to know whether it's working. Alright, so I minimize this. I go to my PC0 and to my desktop. Now IP configuration. Normally if I want to assign IP address to this statically, I have to use this 192.168 or anything, but now since we are working with a DHCP server and I want the DHCP server to assign an IP address to all my systems automatically, yeah, so I have to just click on DHCP, requesting IP address. Wow, so the DHCP server has been able to assign an IP address to our first PC, that is 192.168.0.2. Alright, so let's confirm this by checking other systems. Now let's check PC1, desktop, IP configuration, DHCP 192.168.0.3. so what does DHCP do? A DHCP server assigns an IP address to your systems automatically. Yeah, I think that's very good for when you're working with a large number of systems. Yeah. Alright, so you can do this for all the systems to make sure that they are automatically connected and giving IP addresses. This is 192.168.0.4. This too. .192.168.0.5. so you can do this for all the systems and this too. Let's check the last one. 192.168.0.6. so if I have as many as systems here, you can assign IP address to them automatically to the end. Yeah, so right now we have been able to configure DHCP server and be able to use it to assign IP address to all the systems. So now I want to ping the systems to network to know whether it's automatically connected very well and can be able to send and share information, share packets and other stuff. So I will click on this. I'll go to my desktop and command prompt. So I'm going to be pinging this network. So since this PC is 192.168.0.2, so I'm going to be pinging the next system, that is 192.168.0.3. Alright, so I click on this. Okay, it says invalid command. Sorry, I made a mistake, and you see you have to put the ping 192.168.0.3. then wow, so I've been able to confirm this. So these systems can be able to share packets and information to each other. Yeah, alright, so I have to close this. So what's the next step? I want to confirm if this system 0 can be able to share a packet to another system. So I have to click on this, from this to PC1. Wow, successful. Okay, now I want to check from PC1 to PC2. Successful. Wow, so now we have been able to configure the DHCP server and be able to use it to assign IP address to these systems. Thank you for watching this video. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see lots and lots of videos for Cisco Packet Tracer and some other configurations, and also many more videos to watch. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.